14 bootcamp video series. My name is Azhar. In last video tutorial we discussed about customer. In this video tutorial we'll discuss about to invoice and products. um, the most important for us is products. To invoice, this upsell is not working properly with me in this community version. Maybe we need some modules. I will check with third-party modules and make another video for this upsell and to invoice. Let's create one order and see. This time I use this customer and product. I choose this product. That's it. No need to add any other information. Just save and confirm. Okay, let's go. It's 030. Now 030 is coming here for to invoice. This is pending. We have to create invoice against this to invoice, but it's working properly. But this sale up, it's not coming here. I tried sales up. It means when you got an order, but you give the quantity above. Let's try one time. We create this sale order 30 and go to delivery. It will was delivery out in inventory. The demand is 1, but if I add it and done here 10 or 20, let's see this time it's work or not. So save and validate. Okay, done. Try to ensure. Go to upsell. Hope so it will. No, it's not coming here. So this one we'll see later. Okay, I think it's better if we create a separate video for products and product variant to discuss each and everything related products. So we'll make a separate video for our products.